Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a game in Gdevelop. It's a very beginner friendly engine, so let's start. So first what you wanna do is you wanna open your browser and go to the Gdevelop download page. There will be a link in the comments. And you gotta download Gdevelop. It can be Windows if you want, it could be Mac, it could be Linux, or you just want to use the web app. It's also something you can use, but it's a little harder to use, and also I don't think you can export. I didn't know, but I already have it, so I will not download it. But when you download it and finish installing it, it should look something like this. This is how it will look. Very normal. You can also use AI to make the game, but we are gonna make a game ourselves. So, to create a new game, we're gonna create an empty game for now. Your name. Put the name of the game here. I'm gonna just call it YouTube Gdevelop tutorial. Here, you can create the game. You can also choose from those. Okay, so today we're gonna start in the very basics of the game. Okay, first let's get familiar with our interface. Okay, first up we have our main menu. This is where we put our objects, where we choose from 2D and 3D. If you want to make 3D games, you can also make 3D games. This is what we can do with the objects and our game object and our huge game here and the properties. And now you also have this. This is your like where you code the game. I'll show you how to code later. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to add a sprite. You can create it with Pixel if you want to actually code it, but I'm going to create one from the asset store. Start from grass. Here. Once you get your thing, you will add it to the scene, and here it is. Now we're gonna paste it all in here. You can do stuff with it if you want to change it. Here you can like rotate it. You can make it loud, make it smaller, everything you want to do exactly like. And then when you start the game, you will just see the ground, nothing else. So to make it actually be a ground, we need to click it 2 times. Go to behaviors, and we're gonna add the behaviors. Because it's a platform, we're gonna click a platform and just click apply. And now let's add a player. I'm just gonna take something from here again. Let's for a moment take this, put them in. Just trying to make them a little bigger, and you still can't do anything with it, don't you? Now click it 2 times again. Now add a behavior of a platformer character. Now it will be a player. It should be a player. Now if you use your left arrow and right arrow and the spacebar, you got yourself a character. Yay! Okay, let's continue. Now we're gonna add coins. Now we're gonna I'm gonna get back to the asset store and add a coin. Gold coin. Once you add it, just place them randomly. them. I'm gonna place them like that. And now when we get back to the game, so we have a bunch of coins that we can't actually reach. Wait a minute, let's add a behavior to the coin of physics. To the physics engine, like that. So it now start falling. See, it doesn't hit the ground actually. A minute. So you can actually so to continue doing the game, you need to actually code stuff. So get into the coding, click this button, and now you have yourself a coding action. Here you need to add add a player, type. We want it to collide when it collides with the coin, then delete the coin and add a score. Okay, so you click collision when the player collides with the gold coin. Okay, then the action is what we're gonna do. So first we're gonna do destroy, I think. Yeah, we're gonna select the coin and click delete the object, type that. And also we are going to add the score. So let's add the score. You can just add a score, doesn't matter what. Just use that score. Add a score up here. Then what we're gonna do is also here, we're gonna add 1 to the score. Add by 1. Now let's try it. You see the physics objects are not really doing a lot. Wait. Gonna add 1 to this too. Gonna do, I think it's enough. No, it's not. Let's delete the physics engine here. Let's go to ground. Physics. Something is weird. We're just gonna leave it like that and maybe make the sprites also not fall down, because they can fall down from the floor. Wait, they said something about collision. See, collision. Okay, so they have actually a physics editor. We don't have enough time. Sorry. Okay, so to continue actually doing it, we need to just maybe make the player jump higher. So let's go to his behaviors of the platformer object and maybe put the jump speed to like, I don't know, like that. That's enough, I think. Let's see. No, that's too much. And also the ground is falling. I think we left it. Well, no, the physics are still there. So the coins. Delete it. And I think that also the player is jumping too much. So we need to make it just a little bit smaller. Maybe a little. Like that. Like 199. That should. No, it's too. Shit. Just add a 9 to it. That's also too much. No, still too much. That's it. And we can actually see that the coins are getting picked up. So, it's about it. Let's say maybe also let's respawn it. Create an object. No matter. And we have successfully made the game. We can actually pick up, can actually move, can do anything. So, last thing, we need to save it. Wait, you can just do Control S or click this button here. Now we're gonna export it. I think that I know. I used to be. You click File, Export. Then you click what you want. I want desktop. One click packaging. You need one only. You have only one day. You have one build to make every day. So I'm gonna choose Mac OS and Mac OS because I'm on Mac OS. Now I'm gonna create a file. You can choose Windows if you want. It's gonna take some time, and when it's done, you will see. I'm gonna get back to you when it's done. Okay, so guys, when it's actually finished for you, you click download and you go download it. And I'm sorry I can't show you it's because we don't have enough time to do that. So that's my edited software. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you had a great time, and I hope you learned something.